What if your AI assistant could genuinely save you hours every week? I've been using Gemini since day one, and it's not just a chatbot, it's a productivity machine. Today, I'm sharing the best Gemini features I use daily, cutting out the fluff and getting straight to how they make my life easier. Let's jump right into the features you need to be using. Feature 1. Deep integration with Google Workspace. The number one game changer for me is the deep integration with Google Workspace. Forget switching apps, Gemini lives right inside my most used tools. In Gmail, I can ask Gemini to summarize a long email thread with multiple replies. It gives me the bullet points in seconds. Even better, I can prompt it to draft a reply based on the context of the conversation. For example, I'll say, draft a polite reply to Sarah, accepting the meeting time and attaching the latest project brief from my drive. It pulls the file and writes the email perfectly. In Google Docs, stuck on a blank page? I use the Help Me Write feature to generate a quick first draft for a blog post outline or a project proposal. The refinement options let me instantly change the tone, from formal to friendly, or shorten it. It's an instant writing partner. Host this seamless connection is the biggest time saver, preventing that annoying context switching. Feature 2. Multimodal capabilities, images, and screen context. Next up is its multimodal power. Gemini doesn't just work with text, it sees and understands. Visual search. I often use the camera or upload a photo and ask Gemini a question. I've taken a picture of an old electronic component and asked, "What is this, and what is its function?" It identifies it and gives me a concise explanation. Screen context. On mobile, this is massive. If I'm on a complex web page or a long article on my phone, I can activate Gemini and select Ask about this screen. I then ask it to summarize this web page into 3 key takeaways or extract the list of ingredients from this recipe. I don't need to copy and paste a single thing. It understands exactly what's on my display. Host it turns my phone's camera and screen into an instant information query tool. Feature 3. Learning and research tools. For learning and deep research, Gemini has 2 features I rely on heavily. YouTube video summaries. If I'm watching a long lecture or tutorial, I grab the URL and ask Gemini to summarize this YouTube video or list the major sections and timestamps. It gives me a detailed breakdown, allowing me to skip to exactly what I need. Custom quiz generation. For pro users, this is fantastic for studying or prepping for a meeting. I can upload a PDF or a set of meeting notes and say, create a 10-question quiz on this document. It generates the questions, and often provides hints and explanations for the answers. It's like having a personal AI tutor. Host these features let me digest large amounts of information in minutes, not hours. Feature 4. Temporary chat and double check. Finally, a quick nod to privacy and accuracy. Temporary chat. For quick, private brainstorming sessions, where I don't want the conversation to be saved to my history or used for model training, I use the temporary chat feature. It gives me a clean slate for sensitive or one-off topics. Double-check responses. If Gemini gives me factual information, I look for the double-check button. This quickly cross-references its answer with Google search results, showing me the sources it used. It's a critical tool for verifying information and ensuring accuracy. Host using these features, I feel confident that the information I get is both private and accurate. OUTRO, call to action. Host. So there you have it, the Gemini features that have genuinely transformed my productivity, from drafting emails in seconds to instantly summarizing huge documents and videos. If you're using Gemini, you need to be using these power tools. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and AI deep dives. Peace out.